Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on this 2016 Ford F-150. We put a 6-inch rough country lift on it. We powder coated everything that we could red. You'll see that in the videos. We put a set of 2010 Impact 827 wheels with a negative 12 millimeter offset and some 35 1250 R20 Venom XT tires. Now, if you're wondering what tips and tricks we have when installing this lift kit, go watch our tips and tricks video. And if you want to know what we had to do to make these tires and wheels fit on this lift with this offset and this size tire, go watch the Will It Fit video. I'll explain everything that we had to do in order to make this fit. Now, if you're wanting to do this exact same build to your vehicle, we would love to help you. Whether it's dreaming it up, whether it's buying the parts for you, whether it's installing it, whether it's doing all of it, we don't care. We just want to help you. So let us know how we can. Leave us a comment, shoot us a DM, give us a call at 833-268-2577. We're here to serve you. Just let us know how. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.